Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I've got a few beginner exercises that you can learn on the inline skates. So if you have a little bit of experience on inline skates or figure skating, this video is for you. And just some things you can try since we don't have any ice right now. So a lot of the things you can do on the ice, you can do on inline. So first we're just going to start with swizzles. So just going out with the legs and then bringing them back in. So out and then toe first, back in. Arms are out to the sides, but you can add an arm movement if you'd like. You want to add a little knee bend as you're going out with the feet and then straightening them when you're coming back. And you're always pushing on an inside edge and then coming back to 2 feet. So always inside and then back. Next exercise is a 1-foot push, kind of ski glide move. So we're just going on the outside edge and then pushing the outside leg to the side and then just kind of making a small curve. So I'm pushing with the outside leg, curving, pushing with the outside leg, curving. My balance is over my knees and I'm making sure that my arms are out to the side so I'm stable. But if you feel really confident, you can add a nice arm movement with this exercise. So here you can see the movement very well as I'm coming back because I'm going up a hill. So you can see really well that I'm pushing with that one leg and curving, one leg and curving. And you might feel that the balance is a little bit different than on the ice. It's okay, that's totally normal. Just adjust if you need to be a little bit forward, if you need to be a little bit back. But just remember the basics. Your balance is over your knees, you have a nice straight posture. And if you need more stability, arms out to the side. But if you feel more confident, add some arm movements. So now we're going to be doing ski glides. So it's basically the same thing, except you're not bringing that outside leg in. You're just kind of keeping the feet a little bit separated. So the forward leg is going on an outside edge, while the back leg is going on an inside edge. So you're really going into that knee as you curve around, just like you would be skiing. And my arms are out to the side for extra balance, but if you feel stable enough, you can add a nice arm movement, like adding one arm up or both the arms up into fifth. And as you can see, I am having difficulty doing this uphill, so like on ice, I would suggest to do all these exercises on a flat surface. So now we are working on how to transfer weight onto one side, starting with this marching exercise. So we're just basically walking. I am putting a little bit balance onto my toe pick, so this is a good way to kind of work with your toe pick and get used to it. I am keeping my arms out to the side, and I'm keeping my back nice and straight, and I'm just walking. Trying really hard not to bring that balance to my heels because that could be very dangerous. So really make sure you are balanced. Maybe hold on to a wall or a friend when you do this. Alright, so now we're going to take it up a level. So we're just balancing on one foot for a small moment and then switching to the other side, bringing the leg up to the knee. But if that's too difficult, bring it up to the ankle or as high as you can. Don't worry, no rushing here. So just going side to side, trying to be more balanced, more stable on the one foot. So this exercise might still be too advanced for you, but no pressure. I just wanted to share it. So it's a normal glide from one foot to the other, making sure that we're bringing the legs in, bending the knees, and then pushing out as we stretch the leg from the outside. And not worrying about any edges here, just trying to glide straight and also not worrying about how high the free leg is. If you can only get it a little bit high but you're still able to glide a little bit, then that's awesome. And then every time you do this exercise, you can try a little bit more and more to bring it higher and higher. So now let's talk about stopping. So we're going to do a basic T-stop, which is skating on the skating leg, and the leg behind, the free leg, is going to come behind into a letter T basically. So the middle of your foot behind your heel, and then slowly trying to stop, bringing the wheels to the ground. Next stop is almost like a pivot, so all we're doing is making a nice curve with our outside leg going towards the standing leg, and then just slowly decreasing our speed and coming to a stop. And one last thing I wanted to mention before I end this video is to take everything very slow and with little speed. Sometimes things can get out of control very fast, so make sure you're very careful, maybe wearing protection. And yeah, so I hope this video helps you in these tough times where we have no ice, or if you just want to learn inline skating. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!